In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent without any coding using Zapier agents. Whether you are a novice or an experienced user, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and concise manner. So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started on this AI journey. First, we'll need to navigate to the Zapier website. Zapier is a fantastic platform that allows you to automate workflows using a variety of apps, making your life simpler and more efficient. If you haven't used Zapier before, don't worry. It's incredibly user-friendly, and you'll soon see just how powerful it can be. Once you're on the Zapier site, the next thing we need to do is log in. You can find the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Once you've clicked on it, just enter your credentials, and you'll be ready to dive into the world of automation. If you don't already have a Zapier account, you'll need to sign up. Again, this is a straightforward process. Zapier will guide you through it step by step. After successfully logging in, you'll want to head over to the Zapier home. The home page is your central hub for creating and managing your Zaps or automated workflows. It's designed to be intuitive, so navigating it should be a breeze. Once you're there, you'll see various options and tools that Zapier offers to streamline your tasks. Now, the crucial part: finding agents. On your Zapier home, look for the Agents option in the menu. This is where we will be able to create our AI agent. The Agents section houses powerful tools that let you automate processes without writing a single line of code. These agents can perform a variety of tasks, helping you save time and minimize the manual effort involved in your day-to-day activities. Take a moment to explore the Agents page once you're there. It's always beneficial to familiarize yourself with the layout and the variety of options available. As you start creating your AI agent, you'll find these tools at your disposal, making the process as seamless as possible. To recap, we've gone to the Zapier website, logged in, navigated to the home page, and found our way to the Agents section. You're now ready to start creating an AI agent that can simplify your workflows and bring automation to another level. Remember, building these agents requires no coding experience, so don't be intimidated by the process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident about using Zapier to build your AI agent. It's time to explore and start creating. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy automating!